Hey guys, and welcome to JadyTv, where we take care of each other. As you can tell, this moving vlog is super long overdue, but let me just give you a quick brief of what is going on. So this vlog came between the last 2 weeks of moving, and it's basically just packing montages, updates, and the process of moving. So enjoy.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Wait.
No!
What? Like a fly?
No!
Crazy.
You do take a picture of the place.
Yeah, look how crazy the house is.
What a mess.
Yep. All of the breakables. All gone. Crazy.
All this one, is it, Jady?
Just a little packing update. So I had 2 paintings here. I just removed those. I just put these bags up because I want to remember to use them for the move. I minimized some of my stuff here, and so all of this plus my study drawers, which are now empty. This one I have like whatever else I might still need. Also ignore this, it's still just clean stuff while I keep packing. So those 2 have been packed into these 2 bags. So this is my progress. Woohoo! Hey guys! So I realized I can film since I am leaving this place. Today I had my first out of 4 submissions. Today's one is the most stressful. It was a speech. I did it. I am so proud of myself. I guess I wouldn't say like it was like 100% the best. I think I did like stumble a little bit, but it's okay. You know what? I tried my best. I have like crippling stage anxiety, so I'm really proud of myself for getting up there and talking. Anyways, 1 out of 4 done. 3 assignments to go, all group essays, so wish me luck. Okay, so this is the progress made so far. I cleared most of these already. I just put like some wrapping for like fragile stuff just in case I need it, and then I have the boxes here, and then I moved stuff around. All the wall stuff is gone and all the top shelves are cleared out. And yeah, so we have this left. Actually I need to clear the inside because this box is not heavy enough to just carry on its own, which sucks. And yeah, I'm on my hoverboard. Yeah! Submission 2 out of 4 is done. 2 more submissions next week and then I'm officially done. Moving wise, I have put it at a pause since the last time I recorded. Most of it is actually done. I just have some like small things like clothes and this cupboard, but this cupboard is like kind of necessities, like food for Lexi and like some of my makeup stuff and all that. So I don't know. We also ran out of boxes, so we're waiting for the next shipment of boxes, which is on Monday. Yeah, and this is my closet currently. It's just full of everything and some dresses that I will pack in last minute in case we go somewhere that I need to wear a nice dress. 1% similarity. Let's go. Yay! Happy Monday, guys. Submission 3 out of 4 is done. I just submitted it. This is the proof. So, oh, boxes came. They just arrived when I was doing my work. I am so glad I'm done with the submission. 20 boxes have arrived and I'm going to continue packing today since I have a little bit of time. The crazy thing is submission 4 is on Saturday. So I have the whole week to work on it, which is great, but at the same time I feel kind of stressed out because I can't just like get rid of the project. I have to keep working on it. But today I'm gonna rest because I spent the whole day trying to finish up stupid submission 3. She's following me everywhere. It's crazy. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. Mommy, pretend to drink. Go, go, go. Bye. Goodbye. Are you a menace? Are you a menace? Are you a menace? Oh, honey. I didn't really explain what was going on in this clip, but basically we have this warehouse unit where we keep all of our extra stuff. Very hard to explain where the extra stuff came from, but ultimately really vintage old toys and whatever. And we have to clear it because we are planning on not keeping the warehouse unit anymore. So we spent that day just clearing it out and then deciding what we wanted to keep or not. This new house, it's tiny. It's half the size of the house we stayed at, so we cleared a lot. Or at least we had to, but we didn't, so. Yo, everyone! So this is all the stuff from the warehouse. Not just that, we have this. So let's take you down a little walk. Oh, we're still clearing. We're not even done. It's insane that the warehouse unit this tiny can hold so much.
You go inside. Yeah, don't be just a smile.
We have my old stuff toys. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look, Angry Bird. We got Barney over here. So much progress. So this is everything. We're still sorting. Then this is all the trash. This is all that we're keeping. And then we have some more in the warehouse. My bad. So many things. So it is currently 2 p.m. Please take note that we arrived here at 9 a.m. This is everything. The warehouse unit is here. Oh, I didn't show you guys. I'm sorry. I don't remember if I did. Basically, this whole wall, not done. This whole wall, done, and it's gonna be moved to our new place for us in a van. That's trash. Yeah, and then lots of sorting. I don't really know what this is, honestly. We found this random table. We have landing. I can't scroll because you'll see my paper ID, but woo! I am freaking done for year 1. No way. I am so happy. Semester 2 is officially over and now my 3-month break begins. This is the last essay. It's actually due tonight, but my friends and I managed to finish it early. Now it's 5 p.m. Oh, I'm so happy. I can finally focus on moving. Honestly, I have no idea how long this vlog is. This is the longest vlog I've ever done. It spans in like a month. Anyway, my family just got home. I got home earlier because of this. And I'm so glad. You have no idea. Can you feel my relief through the phone? I hope I can emit this energy to all of you because I feel amazing. We are mounting the TV. Hey guys, and happy Sunday. So today, I'm just clearing up some stuff. Basically, it is everything I want to bring over on Wednesday. Everything to bring on Tuesday. Wow. So we're gonna clean the fridge. The garden has been removed. We are clearly not gonna bring it. But yeah, very clean. I love it. This whole bunch of things is going to the house tomorrow, and I'm gonna go and set it up, as well as the curtains. And also, big reveal. Lexi! Lexi is shaved. She looks so funny from here. Come here. Oh, you're so beautiful. Here's a walkthrough of the house on the Thursday. Then boxes. This is the current situation. Coffee table has been disposed. TV that's going to the house. You have my bed frame. My new bed frame will be this. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. Let's see what he's doing. Do you like Jess?
Wait a minute.
Your toilet nothing packed, ah? Nothing at all, ah?
I'm gonna die, man. This take your time later, I'm gonna sleep, man. Actually, I better sleep tomorrow.
Okay guys, so that is the vlog. That is the moving out part. Basically, after the 29th, which was our official move out date, we got so overwhelmed and stressed to adjusting to the new place, plus trying to fit everything everywhere. As I told you, we basically have a lot of stuff and it could not fit in the house, so we had to clear a lot of things. Today is actually 6 May. It's been officially 1 week since we moved in, and life is getting kind of back to normal. So what I'm trying to say is that I didn't do any video about me moving into this room and unpacking. I was too stressed out and I didn't have a plan. So for the next video, I'm hoping to do a room tour, just a really simple one. Honestly, my room is tiny. I can just do a tour and it will be a room tour, but I thought of giving you guys a more in-depth explanation on things and the room, okay? And yeah. I hope you guys like this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully soon. Honestly, stressed.